It doesn't matter. No importa.
It doesn't matter. No importa. Okay, repeat after me. No importa. No importa. It doesn't matter. No importa.
It doesn't matter. No importa.
The other way to say it doesn't matter is no le hace. Okay, I'm gonna slow it down. No le hace. No le hace. It doesn't matter. No le hace. So to say it doesn't matter, you can say either no importa or no le hace. If you always wanted to speak Spanish and you just needed a little boost to get started, I got good news for you. You can get started by saying the top 10 words that we Mexicans say daily. I have created a video tutorial on how you can start speaking these words, and you can grab your free video tutorial right below this video.